Happy morning, children. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, in today's class, we are going to see a new topic, that is the next vowel sound. What is that? Yes, after A, E, I, O, U. Very good, children. After O, yes, U. Shall we see the vowel sound of U as well as revision of group 1 letters, the whole group 1 letters. Okay, we have completed the group 1, group 2 and group 3 letters. Now from today onwards we are going to revise it. Okay children, shall we see the vowel sound of U? See here children, what is the vowel sound of U? Okay, now tell me, what is the vowel sound of A, E, I, O? Vowel sound of A is okay. Vowel sound of E is okay. Vowel sound of I is E. Okay. And vowel sound of O is on, off. Okay. Then vowel sound of U is What action is this? I'm opening the umbrella. Umbrella. Okay. This is the action of vowel sound of U. See here. Children, you also do along with me. Clear? Vowel sound of U is umbrella. Now see here, shall we see the more examples using vowel sound of U? What is this children? What picture is this? See, what is this? Bus. What is this? Bus. Spell it. B-U-S. Bus. B-U-S. Bus. Okay. See here. Here we have the vowel sound of U. What is this? U. When we say it is U and when we pronounce it sounds as A. Okay children? B-U-S. Bus. B-U-S. Bus. Keep on telling that word. Bus. 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 Okay? B-U-S. Bus. Children, shall we see the next example? See here, what is this? Cup. What is this? Cup. Teacup, coffee cup, anything it may be. What is this? Cup. See? C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. 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 Okay? See? C-U-P. I am telling it U. Telling this as U. When we are pronouncing, automatically it will be changed as A. Cup. 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 Okay children? See here children, what is this? Cup. C-U-P, cup. Okay, shall we see the next example? See here, what is this? Yes, umbrella. What is this? Umbrella, red color umbrella. Spell it. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Say. See, I am telling it as U. While we are pronouncing it, automatically changes A. Okay. Umbrella. U as umbrella. Umbrella. Okay, children. See the next example. What is this? Yes, jug. What is this? Jug. Spell it. J-U-G. Jug. J-U-G. Jug. Say once again. J-U-G. Jug. 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 Keep on telling this word. Jug. Jug. Okay children. See what is this? Yes. Jug. Shall we see the next example? See here children. What is this? Sun. What is this? Sunlight. Sun. Spell it. S-U-N. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Okay? S-U-N. Sun. See, U sounds, vowel sound of U is A. Vowel sound of U is A. It is a. Okay. That is O and this is a. O, a. Okay, children. See the next example. What is this? Yes. Yummy tummy bun. Yummy tummy bun. Spell it. B-U-N. Bun. B-U-N. Bun. B-U-N. Bun. Okay. Now, hope you all understood this. Vowel sound of U is A. Shall we revise it once again? See here, children. What is this? Yes. Cup. Spell it. C-U-P. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. Okay. See the next example. What is this? Yes. Bus. B-U-S. Bus. B-U-S. Bus. Okay, children. See the next example. What is this? Sun. Yes. U-N. Sun. Yes. U-N. Sun. See the next one. What is this? Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. See the next one. What is this? Bun. What is this? Bun. B-U-N. Bun. B-U-N. Bun. See. B-U-N. While I am spelling it, what is this? U. While I am pronouncing it, its sounds is changed as A. Okay? Bun. Bun. See the last one? What is this? What vehicle is this? Yes. Bus. B-U-S. Bus. B-U-S. Bus. Okay, children? Listen here. Now it's time for your home assignment. Okay? You have to complete page number 168, 169 and 170 in your latest skills textbook. In page number 170, what we have to do? Yes, we have to just match the pictures with the words. Okay? No need to write anything. And after that, practice the group 1 letters fully and write one time in your rough note, not in your English note. Keep this in your mind very clearly. Okay? While coming to the school for correction, you have to bring that rough note for correction. Okay, children? Once again, I am telling, write the group 1 letters fully one time in your rough note. Take a picture and send it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, children?